Do you find Ate noisy? Is Ate noisy? Ate. Oh, your Ate is noisy? What about Daddy? Do you like playing with Daddy? Huh? Daddy was scaring you a while ago? Can you say Daddy? Daddy. What about Mommy? Mommy. Huh? You like going out with Mommy? Oh yeah. Oh no, nakita na naman yung camera. He's going to stop. Oh yeah. You want to go to MOA? Huh, MJ? MOA? SM? SM, maybe? Every time you see a camera, you stop talking. Cry? No crying. You don't have to cry. You just have to say what you want. What do you want? Up? Up? Carrie? Oh, Carrie. Where do you want to go? Go out? Out! Where? Oh, SM? I want to go to SM. Oh, yeah. He wants to go to SM.
Kita naman yung camera.
Oh, you saw the camera again. SM. What did you do at SM? You just sleep in SM. You want to go to the car? Car? You like being in the car? Huh? What? Oh, yes. SM. How we ride the car? Dress up now, dress up. What color is that? Red. Red. Can you say red? Red. The light is red. Can you say red, MJ? Ah, red? What are you doing? You make me glow. I feel so good. It's true. So glad that I have you. You love me so. Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give me. Sing. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Remember my growing years. It's filled with joy because you're there. Thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Sing God, thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Who knows what tomorrow brings? My glowing wings can make me fly. I'll reach, I'll touch the sky. Because of you, I'll soar up high. So I must thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Nakita na naman.